Have you ever had a huge awakening in one of your chakras? Well, if you have, then this video is for you, because what you'll have recognized is that experience, whilst overwhelming and beautiful, is only temporary. Now the question I have for you is, can we make these chakra experiences permanent? And once you've had an experience, you can probably see the answer is no. But also the answer is yes. Now this comes down to education though. We've just been taught a little bit wrong about chakras. Now if you go through any training system worth its salt in the yogic tradition, then you will begin to learn that chakras are in your spine. Lots of us know this, right? And they call them wheels. Whether that's really true or not as an experience inside of yourself, I'm not so sure about, and the reason is this. I can experience my chakras, you can experience your chakras too. And when you do, you might begin to notice, actually, they're not really spinning much at all. They're hubs of energy, and they're foundational. Now, there are 6 centers in your spine that you actually can feel. But the important thing is you need to bring your attention around the back of your body to be able to feel this. And when you do that, you might begin to recognize, these hubs of energy are permanent. Now this takes some time and some specific training that we would call chakra shuddhi, which is purification of the chakras, and also probably Sushumna pranayam, which is spinal breathing. The reason why the spine is so important and is so key here is because your karma, your unharvested tendencies, shall we say, that are going to live out through your life, are stored in your spine. Well, more specifically, Sushumna, this nadi, this energy channel that we're trying to clear up. We're going to try and clear the crap from. As we do that, as the system purifies itself, it's true that you can begin to feel your chakras, with a little bit of work, more and more permanently. Imagine like this. You've had an experience, let's say in your heart chakra, and it came out the front of your body like this. Wow, this warm, loving feeling at the front of my body. Well, that is why it was temporary, because we thought the chakra was in the front of the body. Imagine when you go to the toilet, yeah? And if you're in this country, the company that creates these things are called Oust. Oust is like a spray machine, yeah? That will spray a lovely smelling spray across the toilet, and everybody's happy because it doesn't smell like a toilet anymore. Well, your chakras are like this. Your chakras are actually rooted in your spine around the back of your body, and this is where the permanent experience of your chakras can be felt. The reason being, they're like that Oust machine in the toilet. They are the spray. Well, the lovely feeling stuff that comes out of them, or the lovely smelling stuff that would come out of the Oust machine, happens to move forward into the body, up and out, you see, like this. So our chakra actuals are in the back of the spine. An experience may well happen in the front. But to create the permanent experience, we've got to bring our attention all the way around the back of the body. And maybe this is something you already knew, but maybe it isn't. And that's why we're not experiencing our chakras all of the time. I hear lots of people tell me lots of things about their chakras, and they talk about them as if they know. And what it sounds like is they've had an experience, and that's wonderful, but an experience comes and goes. What is that experience worth now? And the answer is nothing. Really, truly, nothing. We must be experiencing these things all of the time if we can. And to do that, we have to unlock certain aspects of our nervous system, certain aspects of our energetic pathways inside of the system. And the only really way that we can do that is through sadhana and the 2 practices, chakra shuddhi and Sushumna pranayam that I mentioned earlier. If you're interested in those, you can sign up for our breathwork classes down below. We do teach those in that class. But nonetheless, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this, then I have something that's right up your street. It's this video here. This talks about the chakras from the perspective of awakening the nervous system, and you can see how to do that in that one.